Hello there, Sling Shot around that Great Lakes States. We 30 miles north of that Richmond in Love Country, Virginia, and we waving that hand.
All right, garage show down there around Richmond, Virginia. Sling Shot just had to wave that hand up there around central Michigan, a little town called Durland. Right in between Flint and Lansing. We'll catch you later, Sling Shot. I'm down.
All right there, Sling Shot. Have yourself a good weekend. Happy Father's Day there to you. You know who said it? 460 Hurricane out of that Love Country, Virginia, and we're standing by.
All right, there, 460